Yeah, I see the vibes. Another exhaust? What? What is going on? You're probably asking yourself, Phil, why did you go and get another exhaust? And why do you have a silver stock S2000 trunk? You'll find out on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. So basically, right, I had to let go of the J's Racing exhaust. Now, I know I just made a video yesterday talking about, like, I like it, how it sounds, etc, etc. But, hear me out. Being that my car is supercharged, right, I need a 3-inch exhaust. Now, when I got that J's Racing exhaust, just blindly thinking like, oh, it's 3-inch exhaust, not really doing my research as I normally would. It was a 2.7 or 2.75 millimeter, something like that. So it wasn't 3 inches. So the other day when I was at MP's shop, MP was telling me like, bro, I know you just got this and I know you really like want to keep it and all that, but like, I'm telling you, you need a 3-inch exhaust for this car. Now that you're supercharged, the 3-inch exhaust will definitely help it breathe better. I can tell that it's, you know, it's not getting the airflow that it needs. So today I posted up like, you know, I may be letting go of my J's Racing exhaust. If anyone's interested, let me know, blah blah blah. So my boy, he hit me up, who has an S2000, like, and he was like, yo, I'll trade you my 3-inch HKS exhaust for your J's Racing with money on top. I was like, cool, we could do that. So then I ended up going to his house and he actually had a silver AP1 trunk there, and he was like, yo, I don't really need it. I mean, you could take the exhaust in the trunk. I was like, you know what, I'll do that instead. So that way I can get the duckbill trunk repainted, and then I can get the stock AP1 trunk repainted, actually back black, or whichever color I choose. If whatever I'm gonna do in the future, I'm gonna end up doing that and then putting a wing on that trunk. So that's the goal. I want to have a molded duckbill trunk for like when I want to switch it up, and then also have a trunk with the wing on it. So all right, so here you guys have it, HKS. Whew. Still has that nice burnt titanium tip. 3-inch exhaust. Let's see how girthy this one sounds. All right, so I'm gotta piece it together. The only cool thing that I like mainly about the J's Racing is that it was all one piece, so you didn't have to do this, but it is what it is. Oh, so this one isn't so pointed down, it's more straight out, way more firm on there. I actually had to like do the most to get this thing on there, but it has two hangers, so I put it at the top one so that way it can sit up as high as it can. This one should be good up here, and then I probably have to do the hanger over there on the corner, and then should be good money. Then I'll do a nice little startup. All right, it's officially done. Now, for the official first startup. gonna put it on the bucket because I forgot my tripod. But God, man, I'm tired. I got a headache and everything. Hella bass. It's got a real deep tone. And there's actually no drone really. Like, just for the little quick rip I just did, there's like literally like barely any drone. I can't wait to put the header on, bro. I swear to you. I heard a bag pop. It's so hard trying to drive this car and hold the camera. I keep forgetting to bring my GoPro. Don't worry, guys. Shit sounds good. Alright, so all 4 tires are here now. Bumper's getting picked up today. I got something new coming for these, as you guys know already. So you guys gotta stay tuned. Can't wait, can't wait. I'm waiting for my little brother to pick me up though, cause I need the truck. Ooh, why this song always popping on when I'm about to show y'all something? But y'all see it. But the splitter, the canards, it looks so good. I was gonna do a double stack at first, but then I was like, I think that might be doing too much, so I ended up not going that route. Pulled up on Maine and Floyd today. They all got their bikes out working. 125, this is a Honda, right? Honda CR, 125R.
Yeah,
and you already know.
R, that should stand for racing, dude.
And you got Maine's Banshee over there with his new pickup. But we out here today. They're trying to go to the lot tomorrow to ride. So we'll see. Might have some more bike content coming up.
Sure will.
He just took the header off of this one, put a new header on there. This is the old one, all like binged and dented in and shit. Whew. You guys see it? Splitter, canards. Thing looks mean. You guys let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I think it's a good addition to the car. Even has the fins on the side.
Like a big long ass. That shit by my job.
Boy, Floyd getting the fairings back together. We about to hit the lot. Hopefully they don't kick us out this time. Damn, shit looks nice. Missing the seat though, but he about to put the seat on. Just put the new tires on. New arms on. Well, not arms. What is this? A toe adjustment? Tie rods. Yeah, because on the S2K it's like the rear toe adjustment. That's what I got to change on mine too. Yeah. That's why I got to change on mine, so that way the car can drive way straighter than what it is now. It's got a lot of play in it. But we about to head out in a little bit. Everybody getting their bikes ready.
Something, nigga.
Say, shake it up a little bit more.
Yeah, you're right. Nothing, boy. This is funny, dude. Or is it choked down? I forgot.
Which one is it, man?
Nah, nigga, it's choked up.
Nigga, man, back there.
Start this shit. I can't start it, man. It's not starting. Huh?
But it bogged out.
It's not starting back. Got an earbox, guy. Like, oh shit. And he started, no he can't. Shit start one time and then say fuck you, nigga.
What's this gas? Officially got it started. It's the spark plug.
Officially.
Still needs a little bit of work, but a couple pieces missing. I did.
Put that in the vlog. Supposed to be lifting that hole. That shit's slow.
He gonna try it.
Yo, lift that shit up. I think you should be practicing. Second gear. That's a black one. I mean a warrior. I mean a black. That shit drive way better now with the alignment.
Yeah.
That shit was acting stupid before.
Dude, he got it. Oh boy, here we go. Down there wilding right now. again.